Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I am going to walk you through the real-world differences between GitHub and Bitbucket. Most engineering teams pick these tools based on brand recognition alone, but the difference is actually bigger than most people think. And if you choose the wrong one for your specific stack, you will end up with fragmented pipelines and wasted development cycles. Let's dive into the core differences between these two industry giants and help you make an informed decision for your infrastructure. Specifically, we will look at their core philosophies, how their integration ecosystems differ for enterprise teams, and the raw performance of their native CI or CD pipelines. We will also compare them side by side, talk about when to choose each, and cover the common pitfalls that trap teams when they migrate. If you want a wider look at the market, we have already covered GitHub versus GitLab on this channel, so check the description for that link. These are the topics we are going to cover, so do not skip ahead, watch all the way through to actually understand this properly. In this channel, we share practical IT tutorials every day. If you are interested in learning and want more content regularly, make sure to subscribe and join our WhatsApp channel using the link in the description. And please do hype the video. That really encourages me to upload more videos regularly. Now, why does this matter? Here is why. When you choose a source control platform, you are not just choosing a place to store Git repositories. You are choosing your primary integration point for security scanning, project management, and automated deployment. If you pick a tool that does not play nice with your existing stack, your engineers will spend half their week fighting with view code instead of shipping features. That is exactly the kind of friction that stalls deployment cycles. So, what is GitHub exactly? Think of it like a global town square for software development. It has evolved from a simple repository host into a massive hub for collaboration, automation, and security. Its biggest strength is its ecosystem. If you use a third-party tool, whether it is a cloud provider like AWS or a monitoring tool like Datadog, there is almost certainly a native GitHub action or integration ready to go out of the box. And what about Bitbucket? Think of Bitbucket as the precision tool for the corporate engineering department. It does not try to be the world's social network for code. Instead, it focuses on being the perfect companion to Jira and Trello. If your project managers live in Jira, Bitbucket provides a level of deep integration that GitHub simply cannot match, especially regarding issue tracking and release management. When you look at them side by side, the choice is clear. GitHub is the platform of choice for teams that need massive third-party flexibility. Bitbucket is the platform of choice for teams that need seamless project management alignment. Notice how simple this GitHub Actions workflow is. We define a job that triggers on every push. It uses a standard checkout action and runs a test command. The beauty here is that the actions or checkout logic is maintained by the community and is incredibly reliable. You do not need to write custom logic for basic repo interactions. This is the expected output. You see the checkout step complete, followed by the test suite running cleanly. It is fast, predictable, and the logs are easily searchable directly inside the GitHub interface. Now compare that to a Bitbucket pipeline. The syntax is slightly different but accomplishes the exact same goal. You define a Docker image to run your build in and then list your steps. It feels very native to the Atlassian environment. If you already have your developers trained on Docker-based workflows, this syntax will feel very natural to them. The Bitbucket output looks similar. You see the installation of dependencies followed by the test execution. It is clear and concise. The main difference is that Bitbucket often requires a bit more manual setup for complex environment variables or secrets compared to GitHub's repository settings, but it is rock solid for standard builds. So, how do they compare on the numbers? First, ecosystem. GitHub is the clear winner here. There are thousands of pre-built actions for everything from security scans to cloud deployment. Second, Jira integration. Bitbucket is simply better if your entire organization lives in Jira. The bidirectional sync is a massive time saver. Third, ease of onboarding. GitHub is the global standard, so most developers already know how to use it. Finally, enterprise cost. Bitbucket often provides a more cost-effective scaling model for large teams that are already paying for the full Atlassian suite. So when should you choose one over the other? Choose GitHub if you need a vast ecosystem of third-party integrations, or if your team values community-driven development. It is the industry standard for a reason. Choose Bitbucket if your team is already deep into the Atlassian stack. If you need tight, native control over project management workflows and release tracking, Bitbucket will save you hours of manual reporting every single week. Specifically, that includes Use GitHub if you need a vast ecosystem of third-party tools, use GitHub if you value community-driven development, use Bitbucket if your team is already standardized on Jira, and use Bitbucket if you need tight control over project management workflows. What are the common mistakes? First, ignoring the cost of context switching. If your code is in one place and your tickets are in another, you will lose velocity. Second, underestimating pipeline migration. Moving from GitHub Actions to Bitbucket pipelines is not just a copy-paste job. Third, failing to audit API dependencies. If you have custom scripts calling the API, they will break. Finally, assuming all Git platforms are identical. They are not. Each has unique features that your team might be accidentally relying on. Consider this. An e-commerce platform with 500 developers was struggling with their workflow. Their code was in one tool and their project management was in another. They chose to consolidate onto Bitbucket because they were already heavy Jira users. By aligning their code commits directly with Jira issues, they reduced manual status reporting by 40%. That is a massive productivity gain. They did not just change their tool, they changed how their developers spent their time. To recap, GitHub is best in class if you need a massive ecosystem of third-party integrations. Bitbucket is your powerhouse if you operate in a heavy Jira-native environment. Always evaluate your CI or CD requirements before you commit to either platform. And remember, the actual human cost of migration is almost always higher than the monthly subscription fee. Choose wisely. If you found this comparison useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and join our WhatsApp group for daily tech discussions. We have a lot more practical tutorials coming your way, so hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.